Manawa Ora enables us to do programs within our community with our whānau. So we have been able to upgrade our gym with new gym equipment that better caters for the people that are using it now. We have a mobile unit that can go and support different teams in the communities. We've got a fleet of 7 waka. It means that we're able to develop programs to go and work within schools doing waka ama.
With the Manawa Ora, they've been a big help for our club with the mobile gear. Supported us through the truck that we have here, and in the back of it, it's got a lot of exercise gear such as dumbbells, weights, ladders, sleds, groups, families and stuff like that. So because some of them are, they don't have the access to go away from home to go to the gyms and stuff like that, so it's as easy as taking a gym to them.
The challenge that we've all just finished this week was our Tari versus Tari challenge. It ran for 12 weeks and we had 80 participants across the Nelson region.
The benefits were just to have better awareness around our kai. Doing it with whānau and doing it with other rōpū, and not so much making it a competition, but we're all trying to achieve that greatness. So doing it together really made me be accountable for what I do.
As Māori, looking at different aspects of health, especially healthy eating. Diabetes is pretty big, cancer, heart disease. So it brings back home to all of us as Māori what we should be doing to better ourselves.
Doing it within a rōpū, but also getting my own personal whānau on board certainly helped me in regards to keeping motivated, keeping positive, certainly around the exercise and around the healthy eating.
I've struggled with my smoking for a long time, and that is probably my biggest goal, was to try and give up smoking. The fact that I can participate with my daughter in all of her activities, I'm really proud to say that I've quit smoking and that I am now a non-smoker. So I saved money for my whānau as well. We've organised a couple of holidays already because of it, and just the healthier lifestyle. Like when I'm out on the waka, I can actually breathe now.
We have resources, and it's about utilising all those resources to get our wider whānau to come and join in, and actually sharing the resources that we have, because they're not the marai's resources per se, they're there for all Māori to come and use and enjoy and engage with the marae. The marae should be a community hub, it should be the place where lots of stuff is going on, and Manawa Ora is one of those contracts that allows lots of stuff to go on.